Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the VIN and immediate access to the vehicle so you can read factory labels. This is quick and it prevents guessing. Once done, open the driver door and inspect the jam. Toyota often puts a paint code sticker there. Make sure to photograph the sticker and write down the code exactly as printed. Why? Because paint codes are precise alphanumeric values and a single-digit error leads to wrong color matches. Once you have the sticker visible, focus on the fields labeled C/TR, paint, or color. These contain the paint code used by Toyota. You should read the code exactly and note any prefixes or slashes because some sheets show C/TR like 1F7/FB10. The first part is paint. Make sure to record model year and trim too, since some colors shift between years. If the sticker is dirty, clean gently and recheck to avoid misreading letters like O versus 0. With the paint code recorded, verify it through a parts dealer or OEM lookup using your VIN to ensure accuracy. This step prevents ordering the wrong base. Next, order a small test sample or touch-up and apply it to an inconspicuous area, inspecting in natural daylight because color shifts under artificial light. If you hit a snag, sticker missing, or faded, use the VIN lookup or have a professional color match service scan the panel. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves ambiguous cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.